Hello guys, come on to my Drum Media, my subscribe YouTube channel, my Drum Media, great news, new song, everything you must watch my Drum Media. And also you must go to Instagram,
TikTok,
Facebook,
Madolabu Media.
Madolabu Media, you get it.
All information, eh?
Yeah.
What's your name, guys?
Name is Small Boy.
You small boy?
Yes.
You from where?
Malawian.
Malawian?
Yes.
You know Ethiopia?
Yeah, I know Ethiopia.
Okay, you know Madolabu Media?
I know Madolabu also.
How do you know Madolabu Media?
A long time I watching for TikTok.
Yeah. On YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
Did you subscribe Madolabu YouTube channel?
Yeah, Drab.
Okay. How do you share for you people, especially you are from Malawian? Did you give some commendation or recommend for your people? Yeah. What you want to say for you people?
I say Madolabu is nice, get news.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So what you say for all African brothers?
African, I saw also everything is good on Madolabu Media.
It's good, yeah?
Yeah.
So you subscribe?
Yes.
Did you tell for your friends or your brothers to subscribe Madolabu Media?
Yeah, I tell you also.
Did you tell?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Again, tell all for African brothers also.
Madolabu Media, come on, guys.
Come on, guys.
Madolabu Media, I like Madolabu Media. Creating news, everything.
You like Madolabu?
Yeah, you like Madolabu.
You like
song, everything Ethiopian.
Yeah, you like that music?
Yes.
You like that music?
Yes, yeah.
Madolabu Media Ummata Media Sabati.
Yes.
When do you know that music?
Ethiopian
music, yeah?
Madolabu Media.
Yeah, Madolabu Media. You like Madolabu Media?
I like Madolabu.
Always you enjoy by music.
Yes.
Did you like that music?
Yeah, I like it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Media Ummata Madolabu This right side Madolabu, left side Madolabu, right side Madolabu, right side Madolabu, this side, this side also, this Madolabu Media, this side also. Yes, yes. Come on, guys, give information. We're gonna close it. What have comment now? You are relaxed already now. For all of you gentle brothers and excellent sister, what do you send?
Yeah, okay. I sending also my videos also. Madolabu Media, I like Madolabu Media, guys.
You have TikTok also?
Yeah.
What's the name of your TikTok?
Simon.
Simon?
Yes.
Simon, did you married?
Yeah, I know.
You have girlfriend?
No.
Tell the truth. You don't have girlfriend?
Yes.
What was that one? Sabo, you don't have girlfriend?
No.
You don't have wife?
I don't.
I gonna post this thing, tell truth.
Yes.
Are you sure you don't have wife?
Yes.
Why still you don't have girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
The problem.
It's a problem. Yeah.
What's the problem?
Because that man, what I don't marry first.
So did you have plan to marry?
Yeah, not now.
Not now, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to marry?
Yeah, I want to marry my body, not the first like what.
Still now you stay alone?
Yeah, still alone, yeah.
Is it difficult to stay alone?
Yeah, it's good to stay alone, it's better.
Staying alone is better?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, Mr. Simon, how you stay alone?
Because girls too much stress.
Too much stress?
Yeah.
Stress down. Are you happy to make you interview with you, Madolabu Media?
I'm happy, yeah. I like Madolabu Media. I watch TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel. Madolabu Media.
Madolabu is your choice, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Come on, guys. You're working here now, eh?
Yeah, I'm working here now.
Oh, how much the price of this stuff?
It's 7 rand.
7 rand. Which one?
Cup 7 rand. 9 rand also have 65. Yeah, 85 rand.
Okay.
Yes.
70 rand means one or how many?
60.
6.
Packet, yes.
Oh, full package.
Yeah, full packet.
Okay, come this side.
Yes.
I see different speaker here.
Yeah, different price.
How much is the price?
Price is 600.
Yeah.
And the 280.
Yeah,
And the 650.
650.
And the 300.
Oh,
Yeah, it's nice or quite. Is that a nice price?
okay.
Yes.
Tell to make the voice down.
Yeah.
Too much voice. Egaa daawwattoota keenya kan daawwachaa jirtan sagantaa tamsaasa kallattii gara foddaa madda walaabuutiin isin biraan gahaa jirudha. It's copyright, make too much noise down. Kanaan wal qabachuudhaan sagantaa kana isin biraan gahaa jirra. Madda walaabuu media. How much is that one the price?
600.
600.
Yes.
No discount.
Nah, discount. 550.
For me 550.
Yes,
Okay,
of
what
course,
was this one?
That is also 280.
280.
Yes.
Okay, you have discount, yeah?
Yeah, discount icon.
I usually say sell discount for me.
Yes.
Okay, I want this one next time, huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. What about this one? Is it stove or what?
That one is stove.
Yeah.
2 burner.
2 burner?
Yes.
Oh, is it heater or what?
That one is the
stove for gas.
Yeah.
How much do you sell?
Saying 90 rand.
90 rand?
Yeah, the strong one, that one.
Okay, that one for how much that one?
90 rand.
90 rand?
Yes, sir.
How you use this one?
You must put it for gas, 10 gas.
Okay, on the tank?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Simon,
Yes, sir.
you have bags also?
Yeah, everything is
I want to go home, please. Can you give me one bag?
okay.
Just to give it.
I give you.
No free?
Not for free.
No free?
Yes, sir.
Why not?
Of course,
Yeah?
it's not what is that?
No free life, huh?
Yeah. You must
Oh.
buy. Yeah, also me, I buy that side.
Okay.
Must order,
Okay.
Yeah, so I can't give you for free.
Okay, Mr. Simon. For
yes.
example, which one is the cheaper one now?
Cheap one is fair.
Yeah, which one?
150.
150?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that one is cheaper.
Yeah.
So you choose for me the cheaper one?
Yeah.
Why?
You must take that one for free, it's better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, why is this? You have nice pot here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Quite one, same one.
How much that one?
That one is 550.
550?
Yeah, see it.
It's quality, yeah?
Yeah, it's quite.
I think it's quality, yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
So customer, I like it, that one.
The customers, they like this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes.
But
You
you
have-
have to come and pay
Yeah.
money here.
Yeah?
You pay money here.
This guy takes the money from me here.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Oh. Mr. Simon,
Yes.
come, what about that one? Too much
okay.
plastic that side.
Okay.
How much the price that?
Glass.
Glass.
Yeah, for water.
Yeah.
6 and 10 inside.
Oh, no one.
Yeah. No.
You don't sell one?
Uh-uh.
Oh.
Yeah. Also, see, Roman cups. Yeah. Everything is okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Plate also plate.
Yeah.
25 rand.
25 rand.
Yeah. Small 18 rand.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir.
It's cheaper.
Yeah. It's cheaper.
It's cheap,
sir.
it's cheap, eh?
Yeah.
It's cheaper, Mr. Simon.
Yes.
Mr. Simon, by the way, you are not married still now.
Yes.
You have nice potty, you have nice cup, you have nice plate.
Of course,
You must try to marry. It's cheaper everything here.
No,
Yeah.
you want to manage it. My lady.
Smaller, you have this one. You have this one. Customer is calling you.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell to her.
Which one?
Which
size?
Me.
Sorry, don't have print now.
No credit?
Okay,
No,
yeah.
only. Not in.
Where is Mr. Simon now?
Okay, I'm coming.
Mr. Simon is run away. Mr. Simon, oh, I catch by my camera now. Where are you been?
I'm here now.
Mr. Simon, where are you been? Yeah?
Yeah, what's up, blanket? Nice one.
You have nice blanket.
Yeah, nice one. Blanket.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice blanket.
Yeah, 600 rand.
Oh, is the time is cold now? Huh?
Yeah. It's
Oh,
good now.
how much is the blanket?
500 rand.
Yeah.
400.
Yeah.
380. 400.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was 550.
Oh,
Yeah, and the 350. Yeah, different price in the two, sir.
okay.
Yeah.
No discount blanket.
Blanket.
No wife, no blanket.
Yeah.
What does mean?
It's
It's difficult.
Too much.
It's too much problem.
Yeah,
Eh?
problem too much.
It's too much problem. Eh? Oh, Mr. Simon, yeah, you have nice thing. Eh?
Yeah.
Mr. Simon,
Yeah.
oh, you have a key also here.
Also everything.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
you watching what? Ethiopian movie or what? That side?
Ethiopian music.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, that's.
Yeah.
Yeah? You like this TV?
Yeah, Nashida Ethiopian.
Nashida?
Nashida.
Is Nashida?
Yeah, it's Nashida.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's a nice program. Eh?
Nice program.
Oh, mashallah.
Yeah.
Mashallah.
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 Oh, that's good.
Yes.
That's good. Mr. Simon.
Yes.
Ash. You have nice thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Ash. How much the speaker?
Speaker 420.
Yeah.
Yeah, have also 250. 300. Yeah, amplifier 850 cheaper.
Amplifier.
Yeah,
How much?
850 amplifier.
850.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Have also 550. Yeah,
550.
yeah.
Ah, you have different cable also
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
How much,
yeah,
Mr. Simon, cable, for example?
Difference cable is the original one, 100 rand.
100 rand.
Yeah, and also 90 rand.
90 rand.
Yeah.
Okay. What was the meter one?
Meter one.
How many meters that one?
That one is 3 meter 40 rand.
40 rand.
Yeah,
Okay, that one is cheaper.
cheaper one, yeah.
Oh, Mr. Simon. Oh, you have nice stuff, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mr. Simon,
Thank you for.
Mr. Simon.
Thank
And you have different key here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Mr. Simon, you have nice key.
Yeah, original one, 100 rand.
Original one. Oh, you have original one.
Yes.
It's quality.
Yeah, quality one. Yeah.
Whoa. Show me, lazy.
Yes.
It's quality, that one.
Quality that one.
Oh,
Original.
yeah?
Original strong. That one.
No stress, this one if you put on the door, eh?
You buy,
No one is broke,
nice.
this one, eh?
No broke me.
No broke.
Yes.
Oh, Mr. Simon, yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, Mr. Simon, you have everything, yeah?
Yes. Everything.
The problem, you don't have wife only, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Simon, come this side,
Yes,
Mr. Simon.
Yeah.
Eish.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Simon.
Yes.
This is Madolaw Media concerning on the business
Subscribe,
from Mr. Simon shop.
Yes.
Madolaw, subscribe,
Madolaw Media.
share it.
Yes.
About the business, everything, news,
Everything, yeah.
and the music.
Yes.
Yes.
You
African
put-
brothers, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Simon.
Yes.
This side I see different things.
Yeah.
Why is this one?
I've kept it for 200 rand original.
Yeah, original one, eh?
Yeah, medium is quite
Okay.
150.
Oh, medium is quite, yeah?
Yeah.
Which one is nice?
Nice is for 200 rand.
For 200?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
for 200 is nice.
Yeah, for 200.
The quality is nice, that one.
Yeah.
The second one is which one?
Second one is 130.
130, yeah?
Yeah.
It's better, it's that one, eh?
Yeah.
If you don't have money, which one is the best?
100 rand.
100 rand, eh?
Yes.
Just for use, eh?
Yeah, for use.
Just for use.
Yeah,
For emergency.
Yeah, images.
For emergency, yeah?
Images. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
and you have a small radio speaker, what?
Yes.
Yeah?
Only for kids.
And also you have power supplier here,
Yes,
yeah? Inventor.
Yeah. Everything has.
Everything, yeah?
Yeah.
Ash.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Simon, yeah?
Yes.
You have a bag also?
Yeah.
Different bag.
Yeah.
And the solar system.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mr. Simon, Ash.
Yes.
You have to be married, Ash, Mr. Simon.
No
Ash,
married,
yeah?
no married.
No married, yeah?
Yeah.
Not nice, eh? Stress.
Yeah.
Stress, eh?
Yes, too much.
Oh, okay, what comment you have now? We can finish our program.
Okay. Guys, you must must watch it for my Madolaw Media news. Also you must come to
Buy
Top business. Also everything. I'm saying everything for my shop.
Exactly.
Come to my Madolaw Media.
Yeah, you're gonna get everything.
I'm sharing my video anyone.
Okay.
And
Okay.
also must come to my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Oh. Yes. What do you say for your customer also?
Okay. Thank you, customer, for buying stuff. Also me, I thank you.
Okay, you didn't pay money for me to make camera, no? Still no. Why don't pay for me? It's no free video camera.
Video I can play, I pay.